extremely hot out here. It's about 31, that's the measure of my phone, it's 31 degrees, feeling like 40. Yes, Grandpops.
Yeah. No, it can't cut because it touch stone.
You cut stone?
It touch pan stone, so
oh,
it
yeah,
take
that's...
off the edge.
Oh.
If you look at it, from this angle, you can see. Rub your hand pan, sir. Rub your hand pan.
Is it supposed to feel like a...
No edges there.
Oh, it doesn't feel... It feels smooth.
Yeah. An edge supposed to be on it. Let me show you something.
Alright. I think I'm learning about the saw right now, y'all. It is hot. Jeez. Oh, so that's what we're talking about. That's a steel right there.
You come from behind it, but you can easily draw your hand down.
You can feel
on
the
the edge.
Okay. Yeah, okay, I feel that.
Right.
I feel like it's cutting my skin already.
Alright. Rub your hand on this now again. Come down.
Oh, this is wow.
Smooth.
I can feel you rub my fingers down and then not feel
Any itching.
any itch.
So this is to cut down.
Yeah.
This part of it is called the depth gauge. The depth gauge means the depth this don't cut the wood.
Oh, okay.
When you take out it, what depth it don't go down. This is the guide to the depth where you don't cut. So as you sharpen the saw, you sink the depth gauge a little more.
Oh.
You understand? Here it is, look at this. You see some of these file off?
Yeah.
So each time this going lower, so this have to go lower.
Yeah.
So that when you cut the wood, this, alright. Let me. Look in between the edge of the cutters, and if you see a little gap in between them.
The edge of the cutters. There's a little gap right
here. Hold on. You see a little gap in between this?
Tiny gap.
Look. See this gap?
Yeah. Right here.
This gap is the depth. From up here to down here is the depth where we're going to cut. When the chain go round, that's the depth you're going to take out to its rotation. So this have to go down, and this is how you know the depth where you're going to cut. Alright. There is a depth. Look. This and this touch. Bend down and look, okay?
I can see.
You see no space in between here.
No space.
Alright, so this needs to sharpen and this needs to go down. I'm going to show you.
Okay.
perfect.
Oh.
Show you something where this is concerned. When you go and start it in the morning,
Yeah.
you pull this out.
Oh.
When you pull this out, that's how you're going to get in the going to run. It start. When you push it back in,
Yeah.
put this up. And you this is for run, and this is for start. This is to kick start. When you will begin first and in start, and you say boom, you don't shut down, you push back this in, and this is for run. Alright. But there it is now, it needs to sharpen. It needs to sharpen.
Definitely, because what years did compared to what this barely even
can't
get it to break the wood.
Can't even hit. See here? Just a smoothie.
Yeah.
And now we are not the kind of thing before. See this? This is working condition. You see the cut?
Yeah.
Quick.
That is.
So all don't go around now, because we need 2 files. This a file not good.
That file's not good?
No.
So where will you get a proper file to file that down? Like what?
And this file is too big. See?
Yeah.
These are three sides. Oh, to sharpen this saw. Because this chain, this cutter is a bigger cutter than that. So there is a file to match the. So
you need a smaller version of those?
Yes, a smaller one.
So where do you find them? Like in a hardware store?
Yes. You need
So what, would you have to bring the saw to them to show them what kind of file you need, or you just would know by eyesight?
Tell them that you want a small one.
A small one, okay.
What I could do, I could give you one of these old ones.
Yeah.
And hold on. The chain is joined somewhere here. Where the chain joined.
So there's a latch where the chains are hooked up?
Yes. They come into a reel, you know.
Oh, okay.
And when you tell them the length of the bar, which is right here.
Yeah, okay. That's what I was looking at.
The bar is right here. When you tell them the length, oh, yes. And these are.
Oh, so this shows you the file that you need.
Right.
Oh, okay, 0.1.
And the caliber chain, the length of the bar, and also the caliber of the chain.
So the chain is 20 inches. You can see right there, 50 centimeters. And the filing is 1.5 millimeters that you need. What's this next one down here? That says 76. What does that one mean?
I don't remember right now. But you don't have no tool for it.
Not I would know about.
Okay.
You'd have to call.
Yeah, that's all right.
So they were just checking that all what they need to be fixed was just
to get it going.
Yeah.
But yeah, much more than
way bigger than that.
Right, it was much bigger than that.
Can you cut wood?
No, yeah.
And these are dulled out.
Dull. And then the chain want to set. Because it is to set the chain by.
What is looking like me in reality just need a new chain.
To you, what it would look like. You don't need a new chain.
But for these to get back sharp, when they have to file them?
Yes,
every single one of them?
You file, every one of them. They file 2 ways.
Okay.
This one file
that way.
This way. And this one file this way.
Okay.
Okay, so they file.
So you interchange.
So that this one cut.
Yeah.
This one cut and this one cut. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Learn something new every day.
You never stop learning, no.
Learn something new every day. I come all the way to Jamaica to learn how to fix us up.
You never know until you know. And I want little one up a yard, you know, coming. You never know the size of this saw, but it's so sticky, but it's rusty.
Oh.
So me really, they're not expensive, you know. But
to fix them can be a complicated thing.
Yeah?
To fix them can be a very complicated thing.
Yes, man.
Because you're thinking that something is wrong one place, well, it can be 100 different places.
Right. See. But these are the same, sir. Same chain. If we use it, let me show you something. If we use it, take our threading.
Now, Trina?
If you use it, you go and widen it way over so.
Oh, bigger than
that. And you must have an interval.
So you're supposed to do basically.
Like a gully.
Okay.
But when you use it, you don't shake it up, come flat so.
And it's going to make it wider than it's supposed to be.
Right, no wider than it's supposed to be. So you must have an like this, not this.
Supposed to have an edge, like
right,
okay.
a gilt edge on this side.
Okay, so
and the gilt edge must set must into a way, so that down here so.
Yeah.
You take off more down here so in filing than to go over. So to use this file now, you don't have to go level. By the time you come here, so
it's gonna
the file
down too much.
Don't heat from this.
Oh.
And this the two of them are very tough metal. So you're going to need one file. And the file where they are, I will take this small. This chain is the smallest one they sell. They sell 3 stage.
Yeah.
One, this is the medium size. And you have one bigger than this. And one smaller than this.
So you just need a smaller version of that one. Okay.
Smaller one.
Alright.
Any hardware you go on, you can get it. And moreover, they have one new place open down you know Champion?
Champion, yeah.
Right. So this fast Champion go down like you go to Matabele Bridge. And the next building is up. Some are tools and tools.
So it's newly open in Falmouth. You can't miss it.
You can't miss it. Right down at Champion, the behind Champion going south.
Okay.
And then you don't need one file.
So that's the only thing that's
those are the
the buck up right now.
That you don't need for it, because the machete file now go cut it so good, because the machete file down so too soft. So let me show you what the machete file do. There you go. You want this up? I didn't carry it so.
I don't see you do that.
Don't tell me not worth fighting.
Oh, it's right here. It's right here. It's right here.
Right. All right. See here. This can cut. Can't even sharpen my here.
Oh.
Done. Can't even sharpen my here. But it is best to get some flat file.
Oh, the flat, big broad ones. I'm about that.
No, yeah. But you don't want one of the big one. You want because you get this video cut, this.
Yeah.
Look.
Just sounds like it's gliding over it.
It's gliding over it. Cut it.
Oh. You can only fix one problem and you find out there's many more problems. Life, I tell you, man. Yo, trust me, man. It's a lot of things that you don't have to really necessarily know before you know them.
Right. So, here it is now. Middle start it. I'll show you how to start it.
Yeah.
Alright. It's shut down here now.
Yeah.
Crank him, let me hear.
Alright. So you're supposed to pull this out.
Yeah. Go over it, have it go.
Oh,
over
okay.
it, yeah. And then you, right.
Push it back in.
You cannot put your foot in here so to hold it.
Alright. Okay.
Right.
So already pull this up, push it back in.
No.
Okay.
This up, this down is shut off. Up.
Right.
Up.
Oh, it's already up.
Alright, yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Down.
Up.
Up.
Pull to start. No. Right, pull to start. Alright, leave it there now. Push back that in. And pull it to start. Right. Let me cut it.
Yeah.
Pull it out.
Alright.
And then you push in. Oh, I see what happened now. It's never gone up. Oh, quick start. Alright. Back in, down and up. See what happens here. Down.
So, supposed to pull out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Up.
Yeah.
Push it back in.
No.
No.
Yeah. Up.
Out.
Crank him.
Back
Right.
in.
In.
Right. Try that again. Alright, so out.
Yeah. Up.
Flick. Crank.
Right.
Push in. Alright. Get that again.
Alright.
Alright.
If you do it like that and you hear you're cranking one time and you don't want to start,
Yeah.
you push down this shut off, you pull up back and you push out that. When you hear him kick, again.
You know, see it good.
You're good.
Alright, try that again.
It down.
No, it's down, it's down. Out. Up. Crank. In. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Well, wow. I've always, seen them being used and stuff like that, and I always wondered how. Never used it, never cranked one in my life. That feels manlish. I feel like a man. No, it's for me to put this to use one day, eventually. These are the type of memories that you get that you don't lose, man. Telling you, man.
You see this vehicle?
Yeah.
I can take out the engine, pull it up, top it up, and rebuild it, and reinstall it.
What the hell?
Any diesel engine.
Any diesel?
Any diesel engine, whether Caterpillar up to Rolls Royce.
What?
I can fix a Rolls Royce engine.
What the hell am I doing in Canada?
Some gas vehicles I can fix, but these new untried.
Yeah. Man, these are the stuff that I wish to learn, to be honest. These are the stuff that I sit down, watch other people on TV. You understand? Wishing that I could learn these things. I never knew anything about a saw other than seeing it. You understand? Up until today, and knowing how to even crank one, to see how you can fix one.
I can fix it, I can fix a lawnmower, I can fix a weed whacker. I can fix them. It takes memory.
Memory and talent as well. Memory, talent, and skill.
Right.
Because these are the type of stuff you just get up one day and just know how to do.
You have to have a retentive memory. Retentive, not just memory, retentive.
How old are you, Grandpa? 70 what? 76 or 72?
I've done 77, I've done 78 and now in my 80s.
You're 80? Jesus.
I start my 80s the last time, the 1st of July, gone, we start my 80s.
Jesus Christ.
Any diesel engine, don't care what it is. You move the timing, and me can me can just give them to me.
I believe you. I believe you, because the way that I'm doing
it. With one man, him, a white man, and him, me know him, his son grew up with me. Grew up while me on the farm, and he go in the and in the farm, because what is right name? Farm. But as a farmer, you have to have experience of your equipment that you want to use.
You have to have good memory of your stuff.
Right. And when you start to work with in this one, you have some John Deere, some tractors, a build of Germany. And when you come, and then they work, and when you see certain things about it, I will tell you. You say, all right, you know about it? You say, yes. When I tell you so, you say, you never know that means of that skill yet, you know. You say, so when you know about it?
Yeah.
You say, I was working in, you say, I work in Kingston with PA attitude. And do transport and whatever, I work at his garage, that's senior.
Yeah.
Mechanic. You say, what? How can? You have to follow a man in that Kingston.
Yeah.
For this should have been.
Yeah.
I go ask them. And they say, who? And then tell him. And they say, man, this garage I want him back here now. The garage I want him back here now.
You never.
You can't get nobody like him now. That
See,
man
that's
is creative. Our the owner had the transport in haulage.
Yeah.
Can draw container go here so, and do this, and do delivery, and then simply, and big level go and you say, yes man, that the man there, paying them. I can't come and tell you, they're paying them. want to know if what you say, somebody else can confirm it. When come and tell me,
Come tell you. Jesus.
me, yeah, grandson. When you come and you pull the tractor, and say, all right, no, the tractor with you. And you pull the tractor and go by procedure, right? Go by procedure and pull it. And when you see one of the things which pass the engine to damage, when you call him, you have one agent out here see the tractor. And when you call him and show him, he said, this is just 2 pieces you pull from the crankshaft. And it's supposed to be 4. He said, really? He said, yes. It's supposed to be 4 pieces. 2 on this side, 2 on this side. But they only put 1 on this side and 1 on this side. Then they don't put the other 2 pieces. Some say it's only 2 pieces and it's supposed to be 4. You call the agent at him, so the mechanic say, the kit come with only 2 pieces and it's supposed to be 4. And the agent tell him, say, that is what the company send down with all of them tractors. So who is that mechanic? Mr. Tim says, the company is Germany, don't we?
Yeah.
He said, yes. And you have a tractor, more than one tractor that you buy from their company to the agent here. He said, yes. He said, okay, call the company. Germany, you know? So call the company. Tell him that your mechanic said that there are supposed to be 2 thrust washers at the crankshaft. And in the first pulling of the crankshaft, there's only 2. He said, the people said to him, say, that is what they put in it. He said to them, say, the mechanic said he's not fitting it up back if he don't get the 2 pieces. And he said it's time wasting, we will have to pay him.
Well, like I mean, you know, your time is valuable, being the only one there that knows what's going on.
So, you know what happened? You don't know me tell you. The company called him and tell him, say, okay, they're going to send him 2 additional ones and they go to fill cost. He said, can I talk with the person we are talking with? He said, the mechanic needs to speak with you. For what? He said, well, he needs to speak with you. So the secretary, when he put him on Germany, I said, I am the mechanic. Your name? He said, you are objecting to the 2 thrust washers that we send in there and that you are not going to fix it without it. And you said the longer they take, it will
It's going to cost them more money.
Cost your time. Those 2 tractors will go back into cost.
Yeah.
He said, exactly that's what I said. And why you choose to. So I said, in the crankshaft housing and the block, where the crankshaft is going to live, there are 2 sections on. There are 2 sections on the lip that is going to go over the crankshaft where the bearings You're going to fit there are two sections which indicate that it is designed to fit 4 truss washers, not 2. And I'm the first one to pull the tractor, and it's 2 I see, and the only 2 that I see is the 2 front ones. There is no rear one in there.
So obviously that's a big
And
problem.
it's a new tractor, and I'm the first person to pull it. I said the impression is in the crankshaft and also in the lip, where there is where it can be proven that none was not fitted there. And I'm not, and I said, me get agitated, you know. And furthermore, I'm not going to fit it without the 2.
The other 2.
The other 2.
Yeah.
I am a mechanic, and this is not the first place that I work, and I'm not going to fit it up with it. And since I start the job, I am the one who will have to finish it. And my time is considered.
Valuable.
It's like I may tell you and so.
Yeah.
Like I today, we talk about it. Tomorrow in between the other day coming from
On a plane. Wow.
the other day come down from
Because
a
they
plane.
know they're wrong. And then finally somebody with common sense obviously come and see the mistake that they're making. And it could end up possibly costing them way more money in the end than other than just fixing what's going on in the moment. And, you know, have things go on smooth in the future.
Because it's a 4-wheel drive vehicle.
Yeah.
And therefore the truss washer in the crankshaft is to take vibration like this.
Okay.
When clutch slip
Yeah.
and when gas press. Because the crankshaft has to move back. So and when he started running out to ask me certain questions, he said the truss washers are like the bearings. The truss washers are like the bearings.
It's just as important.
I said they are like the bearings because there are 3 types of metal that made the truss washer. So it's like there are 3 types of metal that made the bearings. So when I say something, I say, okay.
Because they know, man.
Because the first part of the the first part is called bobby.
Yeah.
The second is copper, and the second is metal. The bobby is spongy, where the crankshaft, where a lot of people say the crankshaft run into the crankshaft, when the crankshaft float into a very thinly of oil when pressure reaches the crankshaft. No people don't know. It floats in between the bearings with the pressure of the oil. The crankshaft, as big as it may be, when you take it along the crankshaft float in between. That's why it is important. Every morning you wake up, before you start your engine, you fly your bunny, you use your dipstick, and you check the radiator.
Okay.
Because on the dipstick there's a depth gauge where you are listening. In your radiator, there's a depth gauge that your radiator not go below that. Whether you're using water in it or whatever green metal you're using. That's what I know, but you know
I think it was antifreeze or something like that.
Yeah. Right. And if you check your dipstick, dipstick equal to the length, okay, fine. But every morning you must check it.
Okay.
Because there is possibly a leak.
There's always possibility for a leak.
Always possible because giant changes. Because when the engine go hot and close back,
At any given point, it can. Makes sense. It makes sense.
When we go up at the place, I pick up some other parts one time. The man have to say, the man at the store park, he say, are you all in Valley? He say, yes. And so you make the German people them have to send
Somebody plane.
and carry down the thing because the whole contractor them and they don't want nobody else to know.
No, yeah.
Say well then they were doing well. But what do you think it cost of it? After the warranty on it about a year or so, you got 2 more years to break down. Them
More
sell no
money.
parts. And you don't know, so I saw the firm send it out. But the areas are there where there are 2 parts going on. So if there are areas there are 2 parts going on.
It's supposed to be
Why you not
there.
fit in it?
Just fit them in there. It's just going to keep costing more and more money. But I don't
I
know.
want place, and when we see about 7 of the John Deere them there, when they pass, somebody went there to take a look at the place and ask them if they have to. And when we check it and talk with the mechanic, the man in the mechanic said, I have a 2, you know, a 4 parts in there. 2 up front, 2 up back. And when we pull on the 2 there, say, you know what, they say, you come there, because they could be sued. Yeah?
Yeah,
They could be sued.
definitely, because something like that.
Yeah. And the length of time that it costs you the service of the tractor could make us some of it and use that as the part. And then couldn't say nothing because the evidence is there.
Right there. What could they really say though?
Yeah?
What could they really say? The evidence is
Nothing
right
else.
there. You have enough common sense to see it.
Right,
And you're telling them. So.
And then he said back and said, me now fix it without them send the other 2 parts up. Jesus Christ, I'm playing.
Fly down with the parts of.
Oh,
Well,
then
that's,
every time you come at the engagement,
yeah.
just fly straight to him. I remember FedEx when they went time there. But I airport in the hospital. Right away. Just 1 day in between.
Yeah.
I never took the engineer.
You want to fix them. Wow.
But see, they fix one I tractor for you. I'm telling him, say, alright, give you 1 year and 2 months before it goes. He said, you think so? He said, yes. He said, go and tell the operator that tractor and a driver, the person who they drive it tractor is not a driver.
No.
It's an operator.
Okay.
Because it comes into driver operator. But you just classify him as an operator.
Okay.
Because him have to carry wheels to go to operator. Right. A driver is a different category from an operator. I mean, a driver is a different thing from driving and being an operator, because the most important part of the tractor is the work that he does.
Okay.
It's not like the truck or one of these, while in the driver going in the doing work, and they carry load. You have to carry him, go back to him at a place, then he's doing work. And you have to be the operator.
Okay.
But from the moment I do that, you are classified as a tractor operator.
Okay.
So, you buy one new truck, and then you drive the truck for a period of time. And you listen to sound. And when you're in the truck and the drive, your ability to develop that you can determine the engine sound and you can determine the tire sound and you can determine the gearbox and the disc sound.
Everybody makes a different sound, yeah?
Right, so you apply yourself. Technical thing that when you come to that part of it. So when you put your tractor and give him 1 year and 3 months, they tell the operator to listen. The responsibility now is yours. And I explain to you the fixing of the tractor. And if you operate it in this way, it's going to give a building on your confidence. You say, the way you fix it and the way you don't drive it, you will give him 1 year and 3 months service. You say, G-man, you say, I know what I'm saying, I know motor vehicle. And just go and say, tomorrow, I 1 year. In fact, it's after this evening. When you start your morning, you see what I say. When you start the last day of the 15 months, when you start in year, you say, you call me. You call Boston. You say, start it, and start the tractor. And you start the tractor, and you hear the little sound. You say, let me tell you. So I never tell you, you say, yes, it's all right. And it gives him a more reliance.
And the fact that you know what you're talking about, man.
Right?
And the fact that you know what you're talking about, it gives you more confidence.
Yes, man. And the one boy come there, when me and him here for the effort. And the one boy come there, one man saying no, me can't do it. So he moved me from the workshop and put him there. And he gave me a nice tractor to fix. And when the boy fix me, saying the fix tractor, we are saying fix it. And when you fix it done. Then you just repair it. And when you reach a certain part, and then you try to start it. But when you turn up the side, you know when you do it. When you come in, bounce to back the car, then you want, while you try to start the tractor, you want to turn. And the suspect the sound is in this area. So, what you think? So, then,
Time to sit down and watch. That's me right there. Alright, Grandpa. Until we see each other again, man. It's always good seeing you, man. Bring in the hug, man. Alright, y'all. I've learned how to officially fix a saw today and how to use one. I don't know, I feel like I should go cut down some trees, but not right now. The things you learn. But alright, y'all. I'm gonna check in with y'all on another video. Alright, peace.